Go. What are you waiting for, Kavedia, sir? Back करना बस करो. एक तो लगा और ये चेक करो. Hello. डायरेक्ट लैपटॉप पे. हाँ माइक आवाज आ रही है परफेक्टली कोई तकलीफ नहीं. फक्त आपलं चॅट ओपन असेल. लाईव्ह नको ते चॅनल मध्ये लाईव्ह if I'm audible, please type yes so that I can understand. And let's see how far we can go with this live session. So, good morning, everybody. Please type yes, everybody, if I'm audible to you. And this is my first YouTube live session, and thanks for waiting. And since this lockdown is going on, and because of this lockdown, it's too difficult to spend the time. So I thought, let's have a communication with students and learn something. Correct. So I'm trying for today a live session. If there is any issue with the internet, what I'll do is I will upload the video of the live recording, and tomorrow or day after, if there is an issue with the internet, so our routine shouldn't get breaked, and we will connect through the recorded videos, and I assure that I'll give my best to you. So I hope all are getting connected. Those who are not connected, get connected fast. So well, fine. Lot of people are there online. Please, students, since there is the issue with the internet, and maybe tomorrow or day after, maybe the issue may be more. So I'll try to upload my videos of live recording, and you can go through those videos, and for that you have to subscribe my channel and hit the bell so that you will get the notification. So let's start with IoT, Internet of Things. Now what is Internet of Things? Internet of Things is a network of connected objects. Now every object which I can get connected can form a network, and this particular will give me a communication medium between a human being, a device and a device. So let's say I go some 20-25 years back. We used to do call, connect each other with what you say is telephones, and after that we got cell phones. But in these two communication zones, the total communication was between human to human. There is no communication between human to machine. But the moment embedded system came, there was a communication between human and machine, and IoT has changed the complete way that is the communication between device to device. So you can see there's a communication between device to device. So IoT is what? It is objects connected to internet forming a network, and every object will be identified with their IP address. So IP address is a must. So it's Internet of Things. Now Internet of Things, where like devices I'm getting connected, I've told you. Now Internet of Things was the name given by Kevin Ashton in 1999. So Kevin Ashton has given the name when he was working at MIT's Auto Center, working with the concept of RFID, and everybody, I hope you know RFID. So if you know RFID, please press yes, and if you don't know, say no. So I hope everybody is audible with my audio. So Internet of Things, as I've told you, the name given by Kevin Ashton, and the Kevin Ashton is also called as father of IoT. Now where RFID is used, guys, I'm audible. Okay, fine. I'm getting a lot of no's. So I'll tell you what is RFID. It is radio frequency identification. So I hope you have been to mall. In a mall, there is what do you say? In a mall, every product is connected with a tag. That tag is called as RFID tag. So when you purchase that, it has been scanned. So that RFID, that is radio frequency identification, is the name given, and what will happen that when the tag is connected, when the product is being sold, it is being scanned, and from that they can generate the statistics that what type of product is being sold, which are not sold, whose frequency is more, whose frequency is less. All these things can be done with the help of wireless system, that is called as radio frequency identification. You might have used your railway smart card. That smart card is also having a RFID. Even the coin which is used, or the ticket which is used by used in Reliance Metro, is also an RFID. It is radio frequency identification. So I hope everybody is cleared with the concept of RFID. If you have understood what is RFID, please press yes. And do I am audible properly? Now this I'll give a small scenario how IoT is helping in our life. So take an example that I have my dustbin. Dustbin is connected to internet. So you will first say, what sir you are telling? How, what's the fun in connecting the dustbin to internet? Now in my dustbin there will be a sensor connected, and this sensor is connected to internet, and to my internet even my departmental store is also connected. Since departmental store is connected, now what will happen? Suppose in a month I need suppose 3 toothpaste. So the moment I take out first toothpaste, I'll put my box in the dustbin. So there is a barcode reader. Now barcode reader you might have seen in malls also. They are used to read the barcodes on the tags or on the products. So such barcode reader will read, and the moment it reads, it gives a message to departmental store that one tube is used. The moment second box comes into the dustbin, it will say the second tube is used. So I have set a limit that when there is one tube remaining, you just order for me. So the moment I put a second box inside the dustbin, that barcode reader will read, and what will happen? It will send a message to departmental store that out of the 3 tubes, 2 tubes are used. Since 2 tubes are used, what will happen? It will send a message. So departmental store will come to know that they need a new stock of, what do you say, the toothpaste. So that new will be ordered and it will be delivered at your home. So even if you forget to order, your IoT system will never forget. So this is one of the simple example where my IoT can be used. I hope this much concept of IoT is clear, that is Internet of Things. If it is clear, just please press yes. Just write IoT Y. If it is clear, just write IoT Y. If it is not clear, just write IoT N. So friends, this was in short. Now those who have not yet cleared with IoT or Internet of Things, I'll give another example. You are booking your Ola and Uber. So what you are doing, from your cell phone you are giving your location, sharing your location with a driver. Since you are sharing the location with driver, driver will also get your location. So what two things are communicating? Two cell phones are communicating with each other through internet. If there is no net, you cannot use your Ola and Uber apps. Same way your Swiggy or same way your Zomato and all other apps. So you communicate with the help of, so two cell phones are talking, one cell phone is with you and another cell phone is with the what do you say, the driver, and he will find out yourself and it will deliver the product to your place. So this is what another example of IoT. So I think this example is clear. So you can write IoT 1 by IoT 1 no. So I'll come to know how many of you are understanding the concept of IoT. Guys, please you can even subscribe the channel, because if there is some time delay or lag or because of the internet failure, I will upload my video and you will get the notification of that video. And as I've told you, this is my first time I am going online with a something course of hardware. So subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification so that you will get the notification of my new videos uploaded. And friends, this is first time. If there is any issues, please bear with it. Maybe some few students may not understand the concept, so you wait and join the complete do the complete course. So at the end you will understand what it is. And definitely those who are joining, I have a list of the students. They will even be given certificate for this particular course from my company, which is called as Kaizen Future Tech. So definitely you will get a 1 week course certificate which is totally free of charge. So friends, let's continue with the things. So I hope IoT is clear. Now let's say what this IoT all comprises of. Now IoT all comprises of something what is called as physical object, which may be a cell phone, which may be a refrigerator, which may be a television, which may be a car, any smart device which is connected to internet. And this all will communicate with each other. So I need some physical object, I need some sensors to give the input. Now sensors may be temperature sensor if it is an air conditioner or refrigerator. If it's microwave oven, there's a temperature sensor. For washing machine, there is a timer. And for dustbin, the example which I've given is what you call the barcode reader is a sensor. So this all will combine along with a controller, sensor, actuator. Sensors are input device, actuators are output device, and all these are connected to internet to form IoT. So what I need is main is a controller. Now controller may be your Arduino, maybe Raspberry Pi, maybe Node MCU. Many more controllers are available to enhance with IoT. So what basically IoT is? It is some physical object. Along with that physical object, you will connect what you say is controller, sensor, actuator and internet. So what is benefit of IoT? So from anywhere, any place, any time, I can work with my system. Now take an example that when I move to office in the morning, the moment I move to office, what will happen? Suppose at my home I forgot to switch off the AC and I left out, and if I come in the evening, what will happen? The full day AC will be on and wasting its energy and the money also. So I can switch off my ACs with a cell phone from anywhere I am. Same way I can book my tickets from anywhere I am, any place, anytime. There is no restriction. So what IoT is doing is IoT is redefining the way I interact with machine or I communicate with machine. That is what is the benefit of IoT. So I hope these examples are later. So I hope these examples are clear. So examples are clear. You write EY for yes and EN for no. Uh, Somebody Rupali told that webinar will be available later. Yes, of course it will be available later. So I'll be sharing this video on the YouTube itself. And to get, again, you can like the channel, you can subscribe the channel, you can hit the bell notification so that every time new videos are uploaded. And my every session will be available. So if you are missing any starting, no issues, you can go through it. So students, I hope you are enjoying the session. I hope it's not boring at all. Oh great, very nice. Everybody is understanding. Yes, yes. Jyoti, Viraj, Chinmay, Piyush, Rajeshwari, Shravan. Fine. Thank you very much, guys. Uh, let's see further what controller I can use. So the controller which I can use is Arduino. So friends, I will show you how Arduino looks like. So let's see how Arduino is looking like. So friends, this is what is Arduino, a small component. This is Arduino Uno. This Arduino has inputs, outputs and many more things to control. So this is what is Arduino, one of the controller which can be used with IoT. This is Node MCU, which is another control which can be used with IoT. And this is Arduino Nano, which can be used with IoT. So Arduino Nano and Arduino Uno are same. The only difference is in the form factor. The only difference is in the size. So these are 3 different or 4 different Arduinos. There are many Arduino such available. So we can use this. Now to install the software of Arduino, what you can do is you can go to arduino.cc site. If your PC is available, Prashant, I'm very sorry because of the lag in the net, there is an issue. Fine, I'm trying to show the again the Arduino board. So I hope now it will be visible to you all. You can see this Arduino board. I hope it is visible. Yes, Manish, I can understand there is a network traffic. So, okay, a nice suggestion. I'll show you the picture on the Google screen. So I can show you the picture on the Google screen. I'm just setting up the Google screen. Just give me 2 minutes. So guys, I think on the Google screen there is a Arduino Uno now. I think it is seen properly. So if you can see Arduino Uno, just say yes, Uno yes, or Uno no. So I hope you can see the Arduino. So I'll try to show you from this screen different Arduinos. Prashant sir, I'm very sorry Prashant, because of this lag, uh, already the internet failure is going on. I was trying hard. So I hope Arduino Uno is visible. Do I am audible to everybody? Video is too lag. Komal is asking Arduino is a component in Raspberry Pi. No, Arduino board is a different and Uno is different. Arduino is different and Uno is different. So I hope on the screen you can see Arduino Uno. I am showing you even the Nano. So this is Arduino Nano on the screen. So I hope you can see Arduino Nano on the screen. Then I'll show you Arduino LilyPad on the screen. So even you can see LilyPad. So in LilyPad, or somebody have asked me which microcontroller is there. So in Arduino Atmega 328 is used. In Arduino Atmega 328 is used. Yeah, I know I've got paused. Uh, there is some issue going on with the, I think, net. Do I am available now, guys? Do I am available? Do I am available now? I hope video is changing. Yes, internet is getting lagged. I know,